That's 2.1 million pounds of thrust. A lot of energy. It's a current Delta IV Heavy rocket, the biggest rocket that America has at this time.
21 seconds. Mach 1. Vehicle now going transonic. Just past max Q. Maximum 9 atmospheric pressure on the vehicle.
There it goes, up there.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Remember, about 4 minutes after the launch, the two outer cores will separate.
And in the port booster in the partial.
I'm not sure you'll see that, though.
Altitude now passing 9.2 nautical miles. Velocity 2,533 feet per second. Downrange distance 4.96 nautical miles. 1 minute, 49 seconds in.
We're listening to Steve Agate providing launch vehicle ascent data.
Hydrogen pressurization valve is now on in the second stage as second stage systems are coming online. Passing 2 minutes, 7 seconds.
Another 2
Now
minutes.
passing 15.8 nautical miles. Velocity 3,854 feet per second. Downrange distance 11.51 nautical miles. 2 minutes, 20 seconds in. Still looking good.
It's going to be hard to see the stage separation. You won't be able to see it. It's just right
Symmetrical
above
chamber
the
pressure from the
clouds.
port starboard boosters in the full thrust mode. Good chamber pressure in the core in the partial thrust mode. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. 2 minutes, 40 seconds in. The Delta IV rocket now only weighs 1/2 of what it did at launch, burning propellant at the rate of 4,889 pounds per second. 2 minutes, 50 seconds in.